So before I get into this video, I just wanted to let you know that throughout April I am going to be streaming on this channel. I will post about it like on my Twitter page when I'm going to be doing it. I am going to be either streaming chatting or streaming games, but it's going to be for charity. It's part of the Pause to Play campaign, which is a charity for the Blue Cross, and essentially you stream for a certain length of time, you raise money for the charity and all that good stuff. So if you want to please help me out with this by either like turning up to the stream, or if you want to donate, the link is in the down bar. It all goes towards animal charity, the Blue Cross. I have a goal of £50. I'm halfway there with pledges and donations, so if anyone could possibly, you know, spare a couple of quid, even if it's like 50p, I don't mind. Anything goes towards this charity. It's going to be awesome, and yeah, I'm hoping that it's going to be a success. And yeah, as I said, if you can spare a couple of quid, it's in the down bar, and yeah, any help is appreciated. So let's go on with the video. Hi everyone, so today in this video I'm going to be doing a tag that I've just found on the old internet because, I don't know, I just wanted to film it, so I would. So, it is called the 50 questions you've never been asked tag. Now we'll see if this is true because the first question, is one that I have already been asked. So, already we're not doing that well, but let's get on with it. Okay, so first question is, what is your favourite candle scent? My favourite candle scent is Mango Peach Salsa by Yankee Candle. It's the nicest scent ever. Whenever I see that candle, I have to buy it if I don't already have one at home. It's so nice. What female celebrity do you wish was your sister? I don't fucking know. Who's cool? Maki Ito. We'll go with Maki Ito because she's a badass. What male celebrity do you wish was your brother? Not really a celebrity, just another YouTuber. I would love Call Me Kevin to be my brother. He's so funny, and yeah, he'd cause trouble. How old do you think you'll be when you get married? I don't know if I will. I'm not really bothered about marriage at all. So, probably don't think I will. Do you know a hoarder? I am one. So, yeah, I do tend to hoard, and then I will just have a massive clear out. Like, once it gets too much, I will just do a massive clear out, and then it'll be done. So, can you do a split? A split what? Banana split? Probably. Actual splits? No. How old were you when you learnt to ride a bike? I don't know. I can't really remember my childhood because of stuff. But yeah, I genuinely can't remember a lot of my childhood. So yeah. How many oceans have you swam in? I don't know. None. Unless you count like Spain. The one off that coast? I don't fucking know. How many countries have you been to? Well, England. I've been to Wales, Northern Ireland, Spain, and USA. It's not many places, but there we go. Is any of your family in the army? I don't think so. I have a massive family, so I don't 100% know, but I don't think I do. What would you name your daughter if you had one? None, because I'm not having kids. What would you name your son if you had one? None, because I'm not having kids. What's the worst grade you got on a test? A test that actually mattered. I got I think I got a D in maths in my GCSEs. And I think this is how bad my school was, to take AS levels, because I wanted to continue on at school, but I was really bad at maths. I still am bad at maths. You needed to pass your maths GCSE, and I failed it. So for me to come back, I needed to retake the GCSE maths. They told me to go and see the maths teacher to sign up to do that. I never did. But I still took my AS and A levels. And yeah, without doing the GCSE. Surely they should have picked up on that, because I was just like, I'm not doing maths again. So I just never went to the teacher. What was your favourite TV show when you were a child? Rugrats was one of them. I used to love Rugrats so much. I used to get up in the morning before school. I'd watch Rugrats. I think it was Rugrats, Hey Arnold, and then Doug was on after that, I think. So them. What did you dress up at? What did you dress up as on Halloween when you were 8? How the fuck am I supposed to remember? I can't remember what I did last week. I don't know. I don't fucking know. 8 was bad. I honestly don't know. Have you read any of the Harry Potter, Hunger Games or Twilight series? No. Don't interest me in the slightest. Would you rather have an American accent or a British accent? Probably American, because it's cool. I have a British accent, so yeah. Did your mother go to college? No. Are your grandparents still married? All of my grandparents are dead, so don't know. Have you ever taken karate lessons? I haven't. It was pretty cool though. I remember they ran it at school, but I was always too anxious to actually go to it. Or at least some people at school did karate. Can't remember if it was at school, but yeah. Do you know who Kermit the Frog is? Of course I fucking do. I'm not stupid. Jesus Christ, these questions. What was the first amusement park you've been to? Fantasy Island at Ingemel's? It's probably the first one. I can't remember. It was where I went on my first roller coaster. Yeah, there you go. What language besides your native language do you would you like to be fluent in? I'd love to be fluent in Korean, because it's just cool. I like Korean. Or Japanese. Do you spell the colour as grey or grey? Jesus Christ. With an E, not an A. Is your father bald? Who wants to know this shit? But yes, he is. Do you know triplets? No. Do you prefer Titanic or The Notebook? The Notebook. The Notebook made me shed 1,000,001 tears. Just, oh, it's so sad. Oh, God. Have you ever had Indian food? Yes. Who hasn't? What's the name of your favourite restaurant? Like actual restaurant or like shitty restaurants? I don't know. If I was gonna pick one, I don't know. It's not a restaurant, but like Wetherspoons. It's cheap, it's cheerful, it always tastes fairly decent. So, cheap, cheerful is always the way to my heart. Other than that, like TGI's is nice. Have you ever been to Olive Garden? No, I haven't, because I'm not American. And I don't think there was an Olive Garden near where I stayed in New York. Do you belong to any warehouse stores? Yes, Costco. Costco, BJ's, etc. I don't know what BJ's is, but yes, Costa. Costa? Costco. Jesus. What would your parents have named you if you were the opposite gender? I actually don't know. I genuinely have not got an idea. if you have a nickname, what is it? Generally, Kutsi is one that I think has kind of gone through the whole family, because my surname is Cuts, so Kutsi. I only really get called it by one person nowadays, and yeah, that's pretty much it. Who's your favourite person in the world? Probably my mum. My mum's awesome. I love my mum. Yeah. Would you rather live in a rural area or the suburbs? Probably suburbs. I don't know. I'd like the peacefulness of it being rural, but I don't know. Where am I? Can you whistle? No? Do you sleep at night? Do you sleep with a nightlight? Sorry, I can't read. No. No, I don't. Do you eat breakfast every morning? Yes. Do you take any pills or medication daily? No. What medical conditions do you have? I probably have some medical conditions that are not diagnosed, but they're probably like mental, because I have like anxiety and all that sort of stuff. But yeah. How many times have you had to go to the hospital? I honestly have not been to the hospital for myself since I was literally a child. Like, I fell down the stairs when I was a baby. Don't know how that happened, but apparently they took me to the hospital. My parents took me to the hospital and I was absolutely fine. Like, I'd fallen down the stairs, but there wasn't a mark on me or anything. So apparently I'm indestructible. Just watch, I'm going to die next week or something. Have you ever seen Finding Nemo? I might have watched it like when it first came out, but I would not be able to tell you what it was about. Where do you buy your jeans? I buy them from Boohoo Man. Yeah, because I like jeans that have got something about them. And like Boohoo Man have got like ripped jeans, they've got like stuff about them, you know what I mean? Like, they're not just jeans, they've got something about them. So I buy them from Boohoo Man and they surprisingly fit okay. They're sometimes a little bit long because I'm quite short, but yeah, I like them. Okay, what's the last compliment that you got? I think it was like on one of my selfies on Instagram. Someone said they liked my look. So, do you usually remember your dreams in the morning? It depends. Like, sometimes I do, other times I just... No, I find that I always remember my dreams, like, if I got up, like I needed the bathroom or something in the night or the morning or whatever, when I come back, if I fall back asleep, I will remember the dreams when I wake up. But if it's like during the night, generally I don't. So, yeah. What flavour tea do you enjoy? I don't like normal tea. I had, what was it? I got it like a free sample or something. It was a Clippers. In fact, it was in the Degusta box. It was in the Christmas advent calendar of tea. It was wild berry Clippers, and that is beautiful. Absolutely gorgeous. But I can't really find it anywhere. Like, Clippers is apparently hard to find. I don't really understand how or why, because I see it advertised everywhere. I don't know. How many pairs of shoes do you currently own? Far too fucking many. I have far too many shoes, but then I always end up wearing the same pair of shoes until they're worn out, and then I'll move on to the next pair. But it won't stop me buying other shoes in the meantime. I don't know why. I'm just weird. What religion will you raise your children to practice? None, because I'm not having kids. And if I did, fuck that idea. I am completely against raising people as a religion. Because you don't know if that kid is going to follow that religion when they're older. Like, I was christened, and like, I am I don't believe in Christianity at all. Far too much shit has happened for me to believe in that, but I was christened, so in theory I am Christian, but I'm not, because I don't believe it. So I don't think that kids should be like said, you're this faith, when they haven't got a choice in the matter. Wait until they make that decision themselves. It's just my personal opinion. Okay. How old were you when you found out that Santa wasn't real? I don't know, I was pretty young, I think. I honestly can't remember again. Childhood. Why do you have a Tumblr? What? I have a Tumblr to look at other people's tags. I don't really post anything on Tumblr. Why is it asking, why do you have a Tumblr? It's assuming that I have a Tumblr. Okay, so that is the 50 questions. So, yeah, it's fun. Lots of fun. And, yeah, that's it. So, thank you so much for watching. Please hit the subscribe button, all that good stuff. And I will see you all in the next one. Adios!